by the thing here. No? Here, Papa's gonna do one. Hurry, hurry. Before the thing burns my hand. Come here. Look. Hold it here.
Don't touch the sparkler thing.
Wow.
Don't touch it. E, don't touch the sparkle.
Yes, keep it under down there. Wow, is that cool? Uh-oh, it's gonna burn out. You're gonna have to get Oh no, he's dropping the things all over.
Oh.
Wow, E. Well, that's cool. They do have the ones.
You think?
Yeah, I don't know where they got it. Good boy. Wow, Ethan, that's cool. That's it. Where are you going? Stay here with us. You don't really care.
No, he's just letting them out.
Have you been watching them the whole time or no? Well, he did a better one earlier, but. Honey, come out here, you sissy. All she keeps doing is crying. Ben's not scared of anything.
Ben is hiding out the couch.
I should put her and Megan together. We're supposed to be crying each other.
Her tail's been between her legs since about 2 o'clock this afternoon.
know. Her too. But she's still carrying a bone around.
I think this.
Honey won't come out. She's scared. He probably put them out already. All day he's been doing them. Hey, come here and watch. Yeah. Shit, they better.
Whoa!
Wow, Ethan, you like that? Is that loud? What, honey?
Very loud, huh, Ethan? But it's pretty.
Yeah.
Now you're scared.
Yeah. He's starting to speak fast, you know. His mom was gonna pay, now I don't know if she's paying now. You like that? Yeah.
That's expensive.
Hang on, Doug over there. He's taking pictures. What are you taking pictures of, Pumpkin? You can't see it, it's dark. You want to sit over there?
Well, somebody's got a lot right over at the park, it looks like. Oh.
You can leave it there. What, Pumpkin? Sit by Papa.
Ooh, look over there, Eddie.
Oh, give it.